Hello students, welcome to English class. I hope you are good and enjoying the videos. I hope you have understood. If anybody has doubt, you can call me, you can ask me. Okay? Before move towards the poem, I would like to suggest everyone please like this video and subscribe my channel. Okay dear kids? Let us move toward the warm up. Spot the animal in this picture. Dear kids, you can see here the picture. You have to spot the animals in this picture. Here, grasshopper. So you have to mark it here. You can circle or you can mark. This is lizard. Okay. Next, butterfly. Next, honey bee. Next, owl. Snail. Here, what is this? Spider. Crab. Then butterfly, this one also. What is this? This is crocodile, tortoise. Next, here Scorpio. So I have marked the pictures, I have marked the insect here. So all of you have to complete this, mark the animals. Okay, let us move toward the poem. Before start the poem, what is the poem? Poem name is Traffic. This poem has written by Jane Lear Talley. Who is the poet? Jane Lear Talley. Jane Lear Talley has written the poem Traffic. Dear kids, what is meant by traffic? Traffic, it is the more vehicles come together. It can't move. It can't give the space to move anywhere. So all the vehicles stop. They can't move. You often have seen the traffic on the road which can't move, or you have heard that there is too much traffic on the road. So today we are going to learn traffic poem. It's a heavy traffic. Okay, let us move. I am going to read this poem. This poem is the short poem written by Jane Lear Talley. Has written this poem about insect. Now I am going to read this poem. All of you have to read the poem along with me. In summertime, our garden walk is like a summer street. So many bugs run up and down with tiny little feet. Next stanza. The ants are shiny taxi cabs. Oh my, they go fast. Here comes a caterpillar bus who slowly travel past. Next stanza. Third stanza is going now. I am very sure that bugs must have some very special vision, for I have never seen a bug-mobile collision. A bug-mobile collision. Now this poem is over. Now I am going to explain the poem once again. In summertime, our garden walk. The poet is describing the garden. In summertime, our garden walk. Here garden walk means here a path inside a garden. Garden walk means here a way or road during the garden, or it is the way from the garden. And summertime, during the summertime, our garden walk. When the poet is telling our garden walk, when on the way of the garden is like a summer street. The poet is comparing a garden walk it is comparing to the summer street. When during the summer season, all the peoples are walking on the street. Street means on the road. Like that, our garden is full of traffic. Our garden is on the way. There is a full of traffic. Last video I have taught about the lesson, the 4 seasons. You know how the summer season? The summer season is full of hot. Like that, during the summer time, our garden is full of there is a way, there is full of insect there, and the poet is comparing like a summer street. It means the peoples are walking on the street, on the way. It's like our garden is full of traffic. So many bugs run up and down with tiny little feet. The poet is telling so many bugs. Look at this picture. So many bugs are walking, moving, run up and down with tiny little feet. Look at this picture, how the ladybug, this is the ladybug, it is running, walking with its tiny feet. It's so small. Tiny means small. Tiny means small. Let us move to the next stanza. The ants are shiny taxi cabs. Oh my, they go fast. Here the ants, look at this picture. Here the ants are moving. The poet is comparing the ants are like a shiny taxi cabs. They are moving like a shiny taxi cab. Oh my, they go fast, and all the ants are going in a queue. Look at this picture. They are going in a queue. It's like a taxi cab, and they are go fast. Have you seen the ants? How they are walking? They are walking very fast. They are continuing their works. They are go on in a queue. So the ants, the poet is comparing here the ants. It is look like a shiny taxi cabs. Next, here comes a caterpillar bus. The poet is comparing a caterpillar is look like a bus. See, the caterpillar it look like a bus. It has a more legs like a bus has given. Bus has already. So caterpillar has also many or small tiny legs. Here comes a caterpillar bus. Caterpillar is comparing, the poet is comparing the caterpillar it look like a bus. So look at this picture. Who slowly travel past, and the caterpillar is moving slowly. Next stanza. I am very sure that the bugs must have some very special vision. I am very sure. The poet is telling he is sure about that bugs, the ladybugs must have some very special vision. That ladybugs has a special vision, special foresight. They know what happened before. It's called special vision. Eyesight. For I have never seen. The poet is telling I have never seen a bug mobile collision. A bug mobile collision. Bug mobile means here a bug that behaves like a vehicle. A bug, it is moving or behaving like a vehicle. And it never collision. Collision means two things bumping into each other. Or the bugs never hit each other, never collapse to each other. Means the poet is telling the ladybugs has a special vision. I have never seen a bug mobile collision. I have never seen a bug never collapse. A bug never hit each other. Dear kids, I hope you have understood this poem. Now let us move towards the rhyming words. In the first stanza, look at the word street feet. Street and feet, the same pronunciation. So I am writing here A. Then taxi cab, no. Fast bus, past. Fast and past. Both words are same pronunciation. So I am giving a B number, means second. Next, must have, vision, seen, collision. Which words comes? Same pronunciation. Vision, collision are the same pronunciation. So these are the, I am giving here C number. Dear kids, all of you have to write this poem. Write the new words in your notebook. Learn the poem. Okay? This is the homework. Do it.